You probably don't want to spend the entire day doing hair transplant. Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and we have a solution. It's called DHI, or Direct Hair Implantation Hair Transplant. What DHI does for you from a time and efficiency standpoint is a lot. When we extract follicles, we don't have to create surgical slits first, which can take a lot of time and create a lot of disruption in the procedure. We can actually extract and place using DHI. So DHI basically means that we're taking the follicle, loading it into implanter needles, and directly placing them. And so you can extract and place and create a situation where the grafts are coming out and immediately going back into the head. And our team can provide that type of efficiency, but we can only do that using direct hair implantation techniques with pen implanters. We offer that for our patients, and it takes the myth of, oh, this is going to take a massive amount of time or all day. We've actually been able to cut that time in half because of the efficiency offered by DHI. If you'd like to find out how to not spend the entire day with me, call us at 678-845-7521. That's our direct line. Or you can go to our website at nahairrestoration.com. That's NA as in North Atlanta, hairrestoration.com.